Ganyan tol. Ngayon, oh, huwag kang alis yan. Ilaw lang. Ayan. Ilaw lang ha. Ilaw lang. Isa pa. Dito ka. Ayan, ganyan lang ha. Ilaw lang ha. Ilaw lang. Ilaw. Taas ang ilaw. Taas. Isa pa. Iwasan mo yung shadow ko. Pasok ka pa. Okay, good. Isa pa. Ganyan na ha. Last one. Okay. So, steady. Okay. Game. 1, 2, 3. Pasok. Huwag kang mag-out ha. Out. Ito. Ganyan na ha. Isa pa. Isa pa. Ganyan lang ha.
Hindi naka-MP4 yung setup mo.
Ano siya?
Ano, ACBH.
Ganyan lang. Ilaw mo lang. Dito, dito. Ayan, may ilaw na. Ayan lang mo siya. Isa pa. Ayan lang ha, ganyan lang. Steady ka lang. Steady ka lang. 1, 2, 3. Steady ka lang. Isa pa. Tangina, nanginginig ako shit. Isa pa. Last one. Last na to, last. Okay, cut mo na. Ayan na. Gagalawin. Isa pa. Gagalawin. Pa. Pa. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang ha. Pa. Ganyan lang. Para mamili si editor.
Convert mo daw sa ano yung isa,
Ano?
MP4. Kasi backup lang daw yung talaga.
Okay. So, tanggal ko. Correction. Ilaw. Taas mo ng konti yan. Pwede. Sa'yo. Yan. Konti lang. Kita mo yung shadow ko. Yan. Yan. Okay yan to na. Ayan. Record lang. Sa pa ako ha. Sa pa ako. Sa pa. Hindi ko yun. Try mo na. Yan lang ha.
Hindi na ako magdadalawa, isa lang.
Okay. Tama yung kuya ulan.
Kalahati.
Pusin natin yan, boss.
Kalahati lang ha.
Ay, sorry kuya.
Ito pa ako.
Sige kuya ulan. Try mo na.
Kalahati lang ha.
Talas 12 na ba? Last one. Atras ka, boy. Konti lang. Thank you. Yan lang, boy. Kuya ulan dito. Try mo rito.
MP4 mismo. Sa'yo na lang.
Dito ka, tol. Yan, ganyan ha.
Naka-ano yun, naka-set.
No, kita mo yung... Sige, taas mo.
Eh, sabi ni Sir, pa-set daw
Isa
na.
pa.
Pinapapahan namin para
Sa'yo na.
Yan lang, tol ha. Diba? Isa pa. Last one. 2, 3, sige po, lakad. Sabay po, sir, sabay. Oh, isa pa po. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, sige, sir, lakad. Okay, ma'am. Dahan-dahan na, sir. Nakita ka na naman, sir. Hop, dyan na lang, sir, dyan na lang. Yan. Okay, 1, ganyan na, ma'am, ganyan na lang. 1, 2, 3, sige po, ma'am, sir, lakad. Sige po, sa lubong, yan. Okay yan, sir, okay yan. Okay, good. sayaw lang ha. Okay, good. Wait lang po ha, sayaw mo lang sir. Tol, doon ka muna. Atras ka to sa akin tol, atras ka. Yan lang sir ha. Ganyan lang po, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. Okay, wait po. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 3, kiss po. Tagal. And then 1, 2, 3, tingin po sa camera. Okay, ganyan lang po ah. Isa pa, ganyan lang. Wait, wait. Wag. Okay, ganyan lang. Okay, isa pa po. Sayaw. Sayaw mo lang si ma'am. Moy. Isipin mo sir ma'am, nakapag... Okay lang sir, sayaw mo lang. Makikita kita dyan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sige ma'am, slide lang dahan-dahan. Sige ma'am, slide nyo na po. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sige sir, slide. Palikod. Sige sir, slide. Okay. Isa pa sir. Alright, 1, 2, 3, kiss. Matagal. And then 1, 2, 3, tingin sa camera po. Okay. Okay, lalabas na tayo. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, tara. Labas. Masaya sir, masaya. Masaya po, masaya. Yay! Yay! Sige, dahan-dahan. Okay, good. Dahan-dahan. Okay, dahan-dahan. Baka madapa. Okay, dahan-dahan. Eh, atras mo tol. Atras mo ng konti yan. Atras mo konti. Okay, hop. Diyan lang mama. You know, nice one. Okay, tol ah. Cheer nga. Cheer, cheer. 1, 2, 3, go. Ah, wala. Gutom na. Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa. 2, 3, go. Oh, ano yun? Cheer, cheer, cheer. Lakas, lakas. Oh, isa pa, isa pa. Isa pa. Isa pa. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, go. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Alright, ito mga chicks. Ito yung mga baba. At si Juan. Okay po. 1, 2, 3, go. Sige, tuloy lang, tuloy lang. Alright, so ganito. 1, 2, 3, lakad po. Hintay po natin ha. Kiss po muna. Kikis po muna, kikis muna. Magkikis, magkikis. Bago pumutok, magkikis. Kiss. Oh, putok, putok. Kala ko pumuputok yan. Humahaba lang. Muna, kwentuhan tayo, kwentuhan. Eh, congrats natin, congrats. I-congrats natin, i-congrats natin. I-congrats natin, sir. Yan, congrats. Okay, good. Congrats. And then, sir, 1, 2, 3, bigyan nyo yung gift. Bigyan nyo yung gift. Bigyan ng gift yan. Yung mga pangalan, sir. May mga pangalan. Oh. Ilang.
Sige doon na kayo sa kotse. Maghintay na kayo.
Yun, oh. Okay.
May isama mo si MJ.
So, bubuksan natin, ha. Titingnan lang naman natin kung ano yung laman loob. Okay, ano tingnan natin laman loob. Okay, 1, 2. Dahil lang po. 1, 2, 3. Go, buksan lahat. Oh! Oh! Tingin, sir. Tingin. Okay, okay. Sir, so hanggang dito lang siguro. Ha? Okay, 1, 2, tolas yan. 1, 2, 3, go, lakad. Apir, 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 apir. Oh! Oh, congrats, bossing. Okay. Diyan lang, diyan lang, diyan lang. Sir.
Sir, boss.
Okay po. Okay, 1, 2. Wait lang po ah. Wait lang po, wait lang. Tingin lang dito. And then, suot po. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Group hug, group hug. Oh! And then, boom! Buhat! Open nyo, open nyo yan. Open, open. Buhat! Oh! Okay, buhat lang. Buhat. Oh! Alright. Sir, pahintayin lang ako. Kwento. Sige ma'am, tingnan nyo yung bride natin. Congrats nyo po, congrats nyo. Congrats nyo po. Okay. So after po, 1, 2, 3. Okay po, 1, 2, 3. Group hug po tayo ha. Okay, 1. Wala pa po. 1, 2, 3 nga po. Okay po, 1, 2, 3, go. Group hug. Alright, steady lang ma'am. Yan. Okay, good. So ngayon, nalisin namin kasi so, ikutan natin siya. So ikutan muna natin para okay, good. 1, 2, 3, go. Hawak mo ang beat. Yan. Yan, okay yan ma'am. Okay, tuloy mo ma'am, tuloy mo. Yun, tuloy mo. Okay, tuloy mo ma'am, tuloy mo. Tuloy mo ma'am, tuloy mo. Nakakapagod ano. Mahirap mag-abay. Sige na. Bawi-bawi na lang.
Kaya hindi nabit yung hawak.
Oo. Sige, go, go. And then 1. Yan. Okay. Okay po. 1, 2, 3. Akap, akap. Alright. O, last one. 2. 1, 2, 3. Lang po ha. Pa. Ay, aray ko. Tapos alakad po tayo, alakad. Okay, good. 1. Ma'am, tingin dito ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Lakad po. Dahan-dahan lang. Alalayan po natin yung bride. Pakilalayan po. Sige po, dumiretso na po kayo doon.
Sa reception.
Sige, tirahin mo lang. Kuya Olan, tirahin mo ng tirahin, Kuya Olan. Tirahin mo ng tirahin, baka tirahin na iba. Ganyan lang, ma'am, ha? Okay, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang, isa pa. Ma'am, tingin dito sa camera natin dito, ma'am. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sige Kuya Olan, ikaw na. 1, 2, 3, tinginan po, tinginan, tinginan. Yan, ganyan lang po ha. Sayang, may tao sa likod. Isa pa. Tayo. Okay, isa pa po, tingin muna sa akin, tingin muna sa akin. Isa pa po. Tao ka sa likod, sayang. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, tinginan po. Sige Kuya Olan, ikaw na. Okay, 1. Sira, ganyan ka lang. Tingin ka dito. 1, 2, 3, tingin sa camera ko, ma'am. Nice. Dali lang, sir, ha. Okay, sir. 1, 2, 3. Tingin sa akin, sir. Isa pa, sir, ha. Isa pa. Kuya Olan, dali lang. Okay, 1. Tingin ulit sa bukay, ma'am. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Tingin sa camera ko, ma'am. Wait lang, sir, ha. Ay, sir. Tingin sa camera ko, sir. Ito parang si ano to, ha. Yung, ano, pin brother. Lang, sir. Paunahin mo lang ako, sir, ha. Sabihin ko po sa inyo. Okay. Dito tayo, sir. Okay. 1, 2, kahit saan siya tumitingin na. 1, 2, 3, go. Lakad. Di sa kabila. Nice. Stop. Tingin sa bulsa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, nice. Tingin sa kabila, dun sa taas. Isa pa nga sir, pamulsa lang. Isang pamulsa at sa nakatingin doon. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. And then 1, 2, 3, tingin sa camera ko. Okay, turo. Turo. 1, 2, 3, turo. Okay, isa pa sir ha. Lakad tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, lakad sir. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Okay, tingin-tingin saan sir, kahit saan. Tingin-tingin sa kahit saan sir, kahit saan nakatingin. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, tingin lang sir doon, tingin lang doon. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, tingin sa camera ko sir. Turo. Bad boy. 1, 2, 3, kiss. Kiss lang po, kiss lang, steady. Kiss lang, steady. Okay, isa pa. 1. Hindi na ma'am, tingin lang dito ma'am. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ganyan lang, tingin lang. Okay, ikot lang ako. Uy, may naglalakad, ang galing. Isa pa. Babalik ako, may naglakad eh. Okay. O, isa na lang kiss, mama. Okay. 1, 2, 3 kiss. Kiss lang ha, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Dali lang. Puta, may nagla. Okay, 1, 2, 3 kiss, sir. Kiss, ma'am. Okay. Yan lang po, kiss lang, kiss lang. Oh, wala po maglalakad muna rito sa saking gabi. Okay po. Isa pa, ma'am, isa pa. Tingin na muna kayo, tingin na muna kayo. Tinginan, okay, good. 1, 2, 3 kiss. And then, tingin po rito. Turo nyo po ako. Hop! Dahil lang, ay! Ay! Okay na nga. Ano gagawin nyo raw? Ang gagawin nyo? Paano?
Parang ganun yung trend daw.
Ah, trend.
Yung night.
Highlights, bossing. Makain na si bossing. Boss, mamaya, dali. Try ko kayo mamaya po sa akin.
May lumuluwa na yun. Wala naman. May lumuluwa na.
Ano sayaw nyo, ma'am? Mudya ko. Ah, hawak mo ang beef. Beef? Okay, mama. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Buksan. Pakita kayong dalawa. Yun, nice. Ganun, boss. Yun, thank you, boss. Sige, tol. Pitiwan ko lang, tol. Hi, madam. Sige lang, ma'am.
Nasa 48th floor na daw po
Yung,
yung bride.
andito na.
Ay, si maid of honor. Sabi ko,
Ah, lang dito mo. Para happy ako. Okay, para may ilagay ko sa...
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Grace and I will be your host for tonight. So let's welcome Julian and Evan. Applause! So let's welcome our groomsman, Jefferson, our best man, Daryl Ragonia, and IC Jefferson Cardinal, together with our maid of honor, Julian Cardinal. Let's give her a round of applause. And now, beautiful people, here's the moment you're all waiting for. Let's
Kala ko sasayaw sa gitna.
Evan and Julian. What a lovely couple.
Sige po, diretso lang po.
lively couple. You can now go back to your seats and turn off your phone. Before, let's give them a round of applause.
Hi, ma'am.
Ronald Rihanna
ma'am, sir.
Jr. and Fatima Bawat. Hi.
Sanay na to, boss. Sanay na. Ano na, batikan na. Batikan na to, boss. Ako to, dagang. O, sa host ka. Pwede. Ano to, bubuksan pin mo? Okay na.
There are 8 billion people on this planet. There are 365 days in a year. And yet, we were chosen to be in this exact room, in this exact moment. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Grace and I will be your host for tonight. So let's welcome Julian and Evan to the Festival of Love. Let's give them a round of applause. Tonight, we are not just clapping our hands because the timeline says so. Tonight, we are here to shake the room, celebrate true love, and to show Evan and Jolene that they have the loudest, most supportive heart crew in the entire planet. We're officially a few minutes away to welcome our Mr. and Mrs. Vigino. So sit back and relax and get your phones ready. Alright, so now, ladies and gentlemen, the stage is set and the energy is building. And it's time to turn the volume up. Are you ready to meet the rest of the crew? Can I hear a yes? Yes! It's time to welcome the people. So who survived the early morning calls and the emotional tears? Let's bring out the ultimate hype crew, the bridal entourage. So let's welcome our groomsman, Jefferson, our best man, Daryl Logroño, and IC Jefferson Carbonell, together with our maid of honor, Julian Carbonell. Let's give them a round of applause. And now, beautiful people, this is the moment you're all waiting for. Let's clap and welcome our bridesmaids. You can take your seat. You can take back your seat. And now, beautiful people, this is the moment that we've been waiting for. Get your phones ready, and I want everyone to stand up. Get your phones and open your flashlights. Everyone, stand up, open your flashlights. Open our flashlights because we will welcome the newlyweds. Thank you so much. Alright, so once your flashlight is ready, wave them in the air all together. And for the very first time as husband and wife, let's make some defeating, chaotic noise for Evan and Jolene!
Yes!
What a lovely couple. go back to your seats and turn off your phone. Before we welcome and start the whole program, our couple can now take their seats for the meantime. To begin our ceremonial march, let us welcome the hands that will wrap our couple's blessing, managing the symbols of binding love. Our secondary sponsors. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm of applause to our secondary sponsors, Vico Riano and Mayor Riano. Could we stand up? Let's give them a round of applause. Ronald Riano Jr. and Fatima Balon. Hi. And then Ronnie Albert Samaniego and Isa Samaniego. Can we stand up so we can get a snatch on the camera, please? Now,
Tatawag mo ako dun sa ano, papasin.
These are the men and the women
Yung first
of
dance
wisdom
nila.
and integrity,
First
of course, faith, chosen by Julie and Evan as their second parents, witnesses and lifelong counselors. Ladies and gentlemen, with our utmost and great gratitude, let's welcome our VIP sponsors, Venus Yonko. Can we have Venus Yonko? Hello, ma'am. And Gabriel Amaro Bancet. Amaro. Thank you, sir. Danilo Tanael and Marina Tanael. Hello, sir. And then Jeff Gulay and Paz Lagos. Hello, ma'am. Fernan Amaro and Teresa Amaro. And then can we have Edgardo Vigino and Enelia Vigino. Hello, ma'am. Bernard Pulido and Mary Ann Punzala. Thank you so much for our wonderful sponsors. Your presence today means everything for the couple. Your guidance will undoubtedly shape their future. Alright, so let's hear it one more time. Let's give a round of applause to our couple, Evan and Jolene. Now, normally this is the part of the program where everyone should settle down, sit back and relax. So before the lovely bride catch her breath for the emotional tears, so we will have a special performance for our groomsmen together with the groom. Can we have them in the stage right now? Our groom and our groomsmen together with the grooms, our best man please. In the middle of the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, our groom and the groomsman and the best man is now ready for their performance. So you can get your phones back out now and take a video of this cherishing moment and performance that they prepared for a couple of weeks now. Let's put your hands together for a very special, one-of-a-kind performance for our groom's team. performance. And our groom! Clap your hands, people! Those are amazing moves! Alright, let's give them a warm up applause for our groomsmen together with the groom and the best man. Our groomsman is getting ready for like a small photo op. Show your best smiles, guys. They have a second performance. This is not the last. So let's just give them a few minutes. You ready your phones again, guys? Welcome by clapping your hands, everyone! Guys, lower, lower! Thank you so much for the good performance. That is amazing. That's amazing, right, people? Can we hear a yes? Thank you so much, Jen. And now, the moment that we're waiting for. Our lovely ladies, are you ready? Let's give them a few minutes because they are conserving their energy and trying to compose themselves for this great performance. I think, guys, I think you need to get ready. Your phones need to be ready for the huge amount of videos for today. Have you emptied your SD cards before this event? That's great. That's great. All right, everyone is ready? All right, that is just a sample. Breathe. Let's enter the floor and show some moves, ladies. Clap your hands, everyone. All right, bring your hands in the air, everyone.
Pagpasok mo pala, malawang bibig sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sumisigawi. Ako'y diretso ng alila.
All right, that is a warm-up.
Sa noo pero tuloy kumikinang sa gitnang sinasabi mo. Sumatay ka na rin, lumatik ka pa, huwag nang
All right, let's give them a warm applause. They're ready. The ladies are ready. The moves are prepared. They are so synchronized. Okay, everyone, that is the outpost performance of the ladies. Let's give them a round of applause. That's unbelievable. They're so synchronized, right? Really synchronized. So, wow. Alright, let's give us a few moments for the couple to take their seats, alright? So now, everyone, look around this room. We are all here because we were chosen by Jolene and Evan, and this event is very special to every one of us. We've got a high school barcadas, college blockmates, workmates, corporate work friends, and of course, their family members. When I call your table number, let's do a quick round of crowd chasing moments. So when I call your number, I want you to shout and wave your napkins. Can we get our napkins, please? And then I want you guys to wave your napkins in the air when I call your table number. Is that okay? We want that moment to be captured. Smile while waving our napkins. Okay, let's test the waters. Are we ready? Are we ready, everyone, every table? Okay. So when I call your table number, I want you to wave your hands using that napkins and smile because the camera is roaming around for our SDE. Remember? So can I hear from table number 5? Wow. They set the bar high. All right, let's go on table number 2. They're much louder. Can we call on table number 1? Much louder. Can I get a yes in a waving hands from table number 4? Alright. Amazing. My ears right here. Alright, let's give it to table number 6. Alright. The jiggly lovely ladies are shouting. So let's give it. Lastly, is table number 7. They are far, but they are loud. I want to hear those noises later when we do some games and the crowd chasing games. Alright, so I want to take this moment. I know our energy is high right now because we did the table rounding, but I want to get your attention because this is a very important moment for the bride and her family. So I would like to call on the father of the bride. He is so ready, yes. He wants to stand up right away. We will give a very emotional and a lasting memory for everyone. So the father of the bride and the bride will give us their first dance. Father, can we go in front of the stage, please? Alright, you can take your phones out because this is a very special moment. Just give us a few minutes because we are preparing the special sound for this. Julie, you expect you didn't sing it? Yeah. Let's do a step dance first. Soriano!
I remember that hospital room. Your mama cried. Lost in my ways, running circles through my reckless days. And I made a promise I was terrified to keep. That I'd be the man you'd always beside through every storm, through every night. And the someday of my life, my daughter, you saved my First steps on a broken floor. You fell down, but you tried once more. Little laughs turned into dreams. You're braver than you. And you smile in the way you hold on for a while. And every time you call my name, my kind, I'll be right here by your side through every storm.
Thank you, moment. Truly, a Father's love is irreplaceable. But right now, Father, in honor and protect her to the rest of his days, can you please invite our groom, Evan, to step the hand of Jolene to Evan. So let's give it a moment for the first dance of our couple.
Colors and
Everyone, I would like you to raise your glass, get your spoons, and make a clicking noise.
Darling, don't be afraid. I love you
The bride. But we will take this moment. Beautiful people, let's give Evan and Jolene, or the newlyweds, a round of applause. They deserve it. I know, guys, it's a teary-eyed moment, but we will have you take your seats again. Thank you so much, everyone. And I hope your phones are still okay. Still 50%, yeah? We're still at the half of the program. So tonight, to officially welcome our... It's okay to cry here. It's an open stage. Yeah, so, yep.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat ng mga narito. Ay, hindi ko na ho ba nangalalak na gawa ng marami. Ay, natutuwa ako kasi Ivan. Kamusta natin na? Tayo lagi nakikita. Miss na kita.
Surprise! Picture.
Papayo ko lang sa anak ko eh. Laro ng anak ko eh. Sana lagi silang mahinahon sa kapwa sa kanilang dalawa. Para hindi malayong magkasakitan dito. Wala naman ako alam ko naman ang kompleto na inisip. Pero kung sakali yung magka-problema sa iyo, nandito lang po kami, mga magulang. Ito na ako mahaba yung aking sinasabi at gawa natin. Kung sasabihin ko naman, alam na nila. Marami na.
a round of applause for that wonderful message. So this time we will call on. Let's join Julian in front of the stage mother.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ano na po yung mga malalayo dyan? Masasabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa, kasi witness ko naman ang inyong sa ibig sabihin wala na akong ibang sasabihin pa kasi kita ko naman na nagmamahalan talaga kayo. At si Evan, sana hindi lang magbago. Yun pa rin ang gusto ko kung paano sila dalawa magturingan. Akin lang, like yung sinasabi sa inyo, mahalan, okay, mahalan talaga yan ngayon, syempre. Pero huwag yung tatanggalin yung respeto. Kasi ang respeto, nandiyan na lahat dyan. Karoon na kayo ng problema, ito lang kami. Para sa amin kahit ganyan na kayo, dahil na yung sabi ng asawa, ipin pa rin kayo para sa amin. Ako mga anak ko, ganyan na. May mga apo na ako, pero para sa akin, pag may sakit sila, mama pa rin talaga para pa rin. Basta huwag lang kayong mahiyang lumapit sa akin. Nandito lang kami. Walang magbabago. Lahat ka na ate. Ayoko umiyak. Pero, si ate kasi, ang laki talaga ng mababago. Ang laki na mababago. Kasi, siya yung aking sidekick. Siya yung kwela ng aming pamilya. Alam mo, kahit manungkot kami minsan, syempre nagkakaproblema ang pamilya. Pero pag dumating na siya, para bang lahat kasi yan na. Ayoko sana umiyak kasi hindi na naman ako masasabi yung gusto ko. Pero yun na lang talaga si ate, talagang si ate. Pati ako, nananay niya, ate na rin tawag ko sa kanya. Mamimiss ko talaga, pero ganun nga pa rin, sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan talaga. Ang nagpamilya, kami yung dalawa noon, pag nagkapamilya lang, kami pa rin dalawa. Matitira pa rin kami dalawa ngayon, pero andyan lang ang bahay natin, kahit sino sa inyo. Bukas ang pinto. Anytime, kahit gabi, basta may problema, andyan lang kami ni Papa. Marami pa ako, pero sasabihin, pero alam nyo na yun. Evan, gano'n din yung sasabi ko sa'yo. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, mas mahal pa nga kita, isa sa anak ko. Kasi grabe din siya magmahal sa anak ko. Ganun nga ang ano ko pag mahal mo ang anak ko, mas mahal kita. Kasi, mahal ko yan, tapos minahal mo. Hindi ako hindi ako nagdidepend ako kung anak ko yan. So, kusimpihin ko yan kung ano-ano, hindi. Mas kakampi ako ng taong alam kong nagmamahal sa kanya. Kaya ito, Evan, huwag kang mahiya sa amin lumapit, ha? Andito lang kami, alam mo na yun. Yun lang, mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Let's give her a very emotional clap, everyone. You know what? The mother's message really hits different. Riano, Mr. Ronaldo Riano, for your message. I love the energy of Mr. Riano.
Thank you
He's
po.
always ready.
Ate,
Father, can you join them on the stage, please? Thank you.
siyempre, ang isa tong ate namin. Kahit yung anak lang, pamangkin niya, ate tawag sa kanya. So ganun pa rin, itong ate ng lahat ito. Kahit sino, makilala sa kanya na hawan, ate pa rin at ate. Kasi ang gusto lang namin mag-asawa, siyempre, lagi siyang nandyan, pwede namin tawagin, kahit si Kuya, Miko, ate pa rin yan. Kuya Meg, ate pa rin yan. Kaya nga, swerte naman itong aming bagong kapamilya, si Tito Emma. Akalain mo yun. Joke lang yan. Basta wish lang lagi magkaintindihan. At yung laging sinasabi nila, huwag tutulugan ang problema. Hanggat maaari, bago matulog, pag-usapan. Para pag-gising sa umaga, good morning. Yun lang naman. Basta, yun na nga yun. Ay, thank you po pala sa lahat ng dumating at nandito ngayon para sa wedding ng aking anak at bagong anak, lalo na doon sa aking mga boss. Ayun yung nandyan. Pero, Major, Fernan Amaro. Boss Gab, mo seryoso.
Nakita yung sa technique ko eh.
Ayun. Yung mga boss ko yan. At sa lahat po, lalo ni may galing pa daw po ng Bicol. Maraming salamat po. Ayun, nando sa dulo. Dito tayo, man. At saka dun sa mga Old Rose. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sa mga college friend po yan, magpapayat kayo. Ate, ako po. Okay na, thank you po.
Thank you so much, Father. Let's give him a round of applause. Thank you for setting the energy for us. Alright, last but not the least, we have a special message all the way from Saudi. A message to our newlyweds.
Hello mga anak. Ngayon pala naiiyak na ako eh. Mga anak, biswisan sa inyo. Wala man ako dyan. Pero, masaya ako para sa inyo. Ay, masaya ako para sa inyo kasi natupad niyo yung pangarap. Basta masasabi ko lang, lagi kayong magmahalan na. Huwag niyo sayangin yung mahalan niyo habang buhay. Kahit anong mangyari, huwag yung mag-ihiwalay ha.
Natuto ko yan, Don. Natuto ko yan.
Andito lang si Mama, lagi nakasuporta sa inyo. Hindi ko mapigil ang iyak eh. Jilin, salamat sa pagmamahal sa anak ko. Ano? Sa iyo, anak. Manindigan ka sa kanya kahit anong nangyari ko sa inyo. Mahalin mo siya ng sobra. Magmahalan kayong dalawa. Sige, best wishes na lang. Good luck sa future niyo.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Fihino. I'm seeing everyone's faces in each table. And I truly believe that the mother's love to present a special gift of appreciation to their parents. Let's give them again another round of applause. And we would like to hear some words from Evangeline for this surprise.
Closer, closer. Tol, lahat ng kuha. Lahat ng kuha.
Mamaya pa kayo. Sa ano, sa mobile pa rin nakalagay na pa, kasi nung bata ako, idol kita kasi nga, sa idol kita actually talaga. Lalo-lalo na, ang December ng tingnan ng Marilo ka, so, pinangarap ko rin magkarilo nila, ganyan. So, yun nga. Namulan kasi ako, na lagi kang nakarilo sa araw ng kasal ko. Ayos mo, ibigay sa'yo ang relo ko bilang pasasalamat sa lahat ng oras, pagmamahal at sakripisyo. Love you, bye.
Yes, ito naman, para sa papa. Hello pa. This is my gift to you. Sana nagustuhan mo. Alam ko marami ka ng ganun. Pero, gift ko na. This is my gift to you naman. Sana magustuhan mo at nagamit mo lalo na sa app mo. Love you, ma.
Masasabi ko lang, napakaswerte namin na kayo naging anak namin at napakaswerte ng mga anak at kayo ang magiging magulang. Ganyan.
What a beautiful, emotional moment. Thank you once again, newlyweds and our parents. Our prayer. Again, let's welcome Mr. Miko Riano to bless our feast for tonight.
Sa ngala ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amang makapangyarihan, maraming salamat po sa biyayang pag-ibig na pinagtagpo ninyo sa aking kapatid na si Jelen at sa kanyang kabiyak na si Evan. Sa araw na ito, pinagkakatiwala namin sa inyo ang kanilang pagsasama bilang mag-asawa. Basbasan ninyo ang kanilang tahanan ng kapayapaan, pagkakaisa at pagmamahalan. Bigyan niyo sila ng lakas sa panahon ng pagsubok, karunungan sa bawat desisyon, at pananampalataya upang manatiling matatag sa kanilang pagsasama. Naway lagi nilang piliing mahalin, unawain at suportahan ang isa't isa sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Patuloy niyo silang sigabayan upang ang kanilang buhay mag-asawa ay maging puno ng kagalakan, pag-asa at pasasalamat. Naway maging sentro kayo ng kanilang tahanan at maging inspirasyon ng kanilang pagmamahalan habang sila'y magkasamang umaharap sa bawat yugto ng kanilang buhay. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa ngalan ni Jesus, sa ngalan ng Ama, Anak at Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Thank you once again, Mr. Miko Riano, for that wonderful blessing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, open and about to leave. So please take advantage of it and take your photo.
Ulit lang po, wala mo nang gagalaw.
Tapos yung pang-apat po yung favorite pose nyo, ma'am. Favorite pose nyo po, para dito.
Yun o, nagwakin na si Sir. Oh. Yun o.
Kanina ayaw. Matras na mo ako, sir.
Ready? Walking. 1, 2, 3.
So, yeah, you can check the screen on the right side of the venue and watch their growing up video all together.
Ready? Walking. 1, 2, ready. Ready na. Ready. Kuya, natatakpan. Labas ka na.
musika. At nanamnamin natin ang pagsasama. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Huwag ka may bigil mata, sumasabay ang musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal.
Thank you so much for that wonderful song.
Take a template, any template, and make it.
Smile.
Alright.
Okay, tingin muna
Okay.
dito. Ito muna tingin.
As you cut the cake together, newlyweds,
Honor.
it symbolizes your
Okay.
commitment to share your lives, your resources, and your joy to one another. On a count of 3, let's cut the cake. 1, 2, and 3.
Sige. Sige, sir. Ikaw naman na maglagay sa ano. Ikaw na lang, sir. Maglagay.
Dito, sir, para makita natin.
Yan. Sige, mamawakan mo yung plate. Si sir maglalagay. Oo, konti lang. Baka hindi nyo maubos.
Bagay na bagay po ang kanta sa hiwaan, no? Dahan-dahan.
Maliit lang. Para uubusin nyo yan.
Sounds please, dahan-dahan.
Oo, yung maliit lang. Siyak pala na maliit. Siyak pala na maliit.
Dahan na po.
Dahan.
Pwede bang umibig? Hindi nasasaktan. Pwede bang higit?
Yun, okay. Sir, lipat ka sa harapan kayo.
Guys, as a newlywed couple.
Buwan ko si ma'am.
Oh, dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan.
Sige, diretso.
Dahan-dahan, oh, dahan-dahan.
O, yun natira. Bigyan mo. Yeah. Okay, kiss mo na ulit. Kiss. Okay, okay lang yan, meron ba? Okay, kiss.
Ow!
Amazing. Thank you so much, couples. Let's take a moment for the last photo op, sir. Thank you so much, newlywed couples. You can now go back to your seat. And now, they say that behind every great love story is a group of friends.
Thank you po sa lahat.
Hello. Okay. Good evening, everyone. For those who don't know me po, I'm Yen, the twin sister of our beautiful bride. Quick trivia lang, ate po yung tawag ko sa kanya kasi siya daw yung unang inilabas ni Mama. So, technically, masunod na siya sa atin. First of all, congratulations, Ate and Evan. I'm so happy and honored to be your matron of honor. To my ate, hindi ako yaki. To walk down the day felt like I was in you, away from our childhood. And made me realize na we're really at the it was a bittersweet. I'm very happy that finally you have someone to take care of you because you spent your whole life all care of our family. And now we're looking forward sa babies nyo para may kalaro din si Eddie. Thank you for your selflessness and for putting us first. To Evan, thank you for loving my ate the way I'm happy knowing that starting today, she has someone to share life with. Please continue to take care of her, support her dreams, make her laugh, and love her every single day. To both of you, I pray that your marriage will always be filled with love, patience, understanding, laughter, and faith. May you continue to choose each other every single day, especially during those difficult moments. Congratulations again, and I love you both. I wish you a lifetime of happiness.
Thank you so much for that wonderful message, Miss Julian Carbonell.
Actually, wala talaga akong message na i-compose. Sobrang proud lang ako sa inyo na na-pull off nyo na yung at saka yun, natapos na yung unang araw na sa kayo. Marami pa kayong decision at dadaanin. Kaya lagi na kayong lumapit sa isa't isa. Kaya ate, ang advice ko sa iyo, ate, ang pag-ibig para sa akin, hindi siya laging puro pagmamahalan lang. Minsan, nawawala na yun. Nagiging option na lang siya. Kaya yung option na yun, lagi mo piliin kasi yan kapag nawala na yung tao. Kasi babalik din naman. At kay Evan naman, sobrang nababait na talaga kay Evan. Saka, lagi ko siya nakakasama sa may kami pinaayos. Alam ko nga siya mabuting din na tao. Parang lagi siyang curious sa mga bagay-bagay. Kaya ang advice ko sa'yo, ang relasyon is parang mechanical gear. Kahit sa lugar kayo dalawa, kahit kayo magaling or food, kapag ang isang gear umalaw, yung isang gear, susunod din yun. Doon kayo mag-work. So lagi lang kayong mag-work together kahit na salungan yung mga desisyon sa buhay. Paganahin niyo. Ayun lang. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for that caring message to the couple.
Magandang gabi sa lahat. Para sa inyong mag-asawa, kung kanina nandito naman tayo lahat, nandito tayo lahat sa simbahan, yung sinabi ni Father, totoo yun. Gusto ko niya kanina, yung pangako niya sa isa't isa, tama yun, ipa-frame nyo, makita yung pag-ising nyo, pababasa nyo, hindi nyo yung picture nyo, hindi na mag-asawa. So dapat pag-isip, pagmulat ng mala nyo, ilagay nyo doon, para maalala nyo, huwag nyo hindi nyo makakalimutan na kahit dalawa ano sa akin, ang magsasama. Para sa engineer. Salamat sa pamilya, Gilin, at tinanggap niyo yung mga kapatid ng buo. At huwag ka mag-alala, Gilin, matindi ang paninindigan nito. Kahit bumabagyo, sumasalubong yan. Sa iba, nalagaan mo si Gilin. Kanina napansin ko may na yung boses mo, simbahan, malakas yung kanya. So, alam na natin kung ano kasi ang susunod. Alam na natin. Masayang lang kumain at magpakarami. Hindi sinabi ni Father kanina eh. Ako naman sabi. Salamat. Magandang gabi na.
Thank you so much for that wonderful word, Mr. Bestman. Thank you so much.
Sige, teka. I-ano na. Sige ba?
Alright, they're ready. So bring those glasses together to a lifetime love, friendship, and endless adventures. Let's say, everyone say, cheers! Cheers to the newlyweds! Cheers, everyone. Cheers.
Baba konti. Kiss ulit.
Right now, I want you to follow me and put your right hands on your chest because we will do a sworn declaration to the couple. I want you to repeat after me, everyone. Are you ready? Can I hear a ready, please? Thank you so much. So, repeat after me. Ako. And then state your name. Nangangakong hindi aalis. Kahit ako'y busog na. At tatapusin ang programa hanggang sa huli. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's remain seated. Alright. So, we are giving Evan and Jolene an exactly 5 minutes for their prosperity dance. So let's go back in front. I'm sorry about that, but this is a very, very special moment for the couple. And everyone, as you can see on your tables, there is a respective envelope with some QR codes if you don't have cash with you tonight. Yeah, for those who have cash, you can put your blessings inside. Alright, beautiful people, the string is ready. So what will happen tonight is you will clip the envelope that you have in this brown string in front of the stage, while Eva and Julie is sharing prosperity. Alright, so the couple will now start their dance. Sir, let's give the music.
August 8, yung sinano sa atin, August 8.
Isa meron mabiglaan eh.
Oo, meron.
Calling on the two best men to guide the prosperity dance of the couple. Will we call on the two best men, please? And I just want to look at your face. The stars in the night. There were times when I just want to feel your embrace. Alright, everyone, you can now stand up and give your blessings to the couple. You can get a clip to our coordinator for you to give your blessing. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you. I understand that not all of that your blessings to the newlyweds. Every night, I've been watching all the stars that fall down. Wishing they would be mine. bridesmaid has the QR code printed. We can scan that here in front of the stage. Thank you so much, our bridesmaid, for showing us the real prosperity dance. Waving in the air are the QR codes of the couple. Again, QR codes of the couple. We can scan it, send the prosperity blessing. The number of the envelopes are doubling up. Do we have anyone? Last call. Last call. You can reach out to the couple after the event if you want to share your prosperity blessing to them. Their bank accounts and QR codes are open 24/7. Last call. Alright, thank you so much, lovely couple. And thank you for everyone who shared a perspective than they were 10 minutes ago. Again, their bank accounts are still open 24/7 right now. You will raise your answer, show it in front of the camera and to your friends and family. Question number 1. Ito na.
Ako.
Who is mostly or most likely to start an argument over to what wala pa, natatawa na sila. What to eat for dinner? Go! Is it the bride or the groom? Can I see your answer, bride? Oh, yeah. Mostly the girls. Evan don't want to answer. Parang gusto niyo pang umuwi eh. Yeah, I believe that Evan just want no arguments night for the both of them, right? So I want to hear from Janine, why you mostly start an argument over to what to eat for dinner?
Yan yung madunay katulad sa'yo.
Pero, deny pa. Pero hindi naman argument. Siguro kapag tinanong niya ako, hindi sumagot ako, tapos ayaw niya pala. Bakit? Ano talaga to? Ito, ano to? Kalma pa to. Dadyak pa na.
Nanginginig yung labi ni Evan. Alright, let's move on to the question number 2. Alright, let's do this. Who is the worst driver, regardless of what their driver license says? Bride or groom? The worst driver? Wow, may tiwala si Jeline kay Evan na safe sila kada ride. Do you know how to drive as well, Jeline? Ng buhay? Alam mo, ang mga babae, usually ang nagdadrive talaga ng buhay. Yes po, mga sir? Yes, ang mga babae ang nagdadrive ng buhay. Is that a yes?
Yes!
Yes! Yes, ayaw. Gusto nilang makauwi pa. No? Gusto mo makauwi. So, question number 3. Who said I love you first? Or who was crying more during the proposal? Ha? Uy, first time to ako. First time to na naatilan ko. Nag-groom ang umiyak. Sa pagkakakilala ko kay Evan, siya talagang iiyak.
Yung unang question yung
Ayaw, sinagot mo yung una na. Siya lang daw po yung nag-send ng I love you. Pero ang unang umiyak ay sa proposal, si Jillian. Oo. Paki-share naman, quick brief information. How do you propose to Jillian? Yung very quick na para ma-share sa lahat na nandito sa room, paano ba nabuo ito at paano ba ito sinimulan ni Evan?
sa tingin ko siya na lang mag-share kasi mahaba ako mag-kwento.
Okay. Mas may tiwala talaga siya kay Jillian.
Ano to, parang akala ko plain Baguio trip lang. So excited talaga kami kasi first time kami payagan na ganitong layo. Tapos hindi ko alam. Kaya pala, biglang susunod yung mga kapatid ko. Kasi magpo-propose na pala siya doon. Sa specifically na lugar, yung Stone Kingdom. Yun, hindi ko alam bakit doon. Siguro kasi mataas pag nag-know ako. Hindi yun. Yun.
Oo nga naman, no, mataas. Pag nag-no, maihahagis pa baba. Pero that's a good place to do the proposal. Kasi hindi mag-iinit ang ulo ni bride, malamig. Oo, tama naman yan. Question number 4, and the last question by the way. Who is the bigger spender? When a big online sale drops? Ang bilis ng answer. Kahit naman ako din eh.
Ayaw ko talagang sumagot.
Ayaw na lang sumagot ni Jillian. Ipapakita na lang po niya ang kanyang completed orders.
Ano, nag-platinum na sa Shopee. Ganun.
Platinum na sa Shopee. Parang ayaw ko lang. Ako din eh. Alright, thank you so much, couple. And thank you for sharing. And this is actually a revelation for both of you. And the reason why I ask you that is to check the compatibility of each other. Kasi ang pagsasama is perfectly imperfect. Mahal mo ang isang tao kahit na nakita mo yung imperfect things sa kanya. Tama to, right? Yeah, so even if you have these flaws, mistakes, but if you love each other, then that will be a good foundation to trust. And, to make this relationship last forever. So thank you so much, couple, for giving us a chance to hear those answers. Alright. And let's move on to the most exciting part of the game. Yeah, we will move on to the best part of the game. So I want everyone to be ready because this game is for everyone. Because I want this to be a surprise for everyone. Ni Sir Dingo ang garter sa legs ni Ma'am Ayesa. Gusto na ako magpakita ang legs. Ipapasok hanggang sa abot ng mga kaya. Is that a yes? Alright, I'll give the floor to Mr. And if you wanted to take a video to have a memory, go! Una-una, ibubuka. Step 1, ibubuka. Step 2, ipapasok. Ayan, step 2, ipapasok. Step 3, ipapasok hanggang sa abot ng makakaya. Alright, let's tandaan nila ang araw na ito. Together with the bride and the siya nalabiguan para matapos na lang itong taon. At ang 4 months. Then we hand over the bouquet to the bride.
Alas 8 pa daw yung start ng SJ namin. Nice pa kasi.